Beautiful foliage plants which you can keep indoor and outdoor both. Look at the beauty. So these are variegated leaves which need some sunlight to grow, partial sunlight, and these plants you can keep indoors and outdoors both. So let's see the list of plants that you can grow indoors and outdoors, and also they are pretty beautiful. Their foliage is looking amazing. These are nature wonders, and today in this video I'm going to share with you some of the plants which are beautiful foliage, and also you can keep them indoor and outdoor both. Hello friends, welcome back to Tamara's Garden, and this is Tamara. I do gardening with my personal experiences, and in my YouTube channel you will see many videos related to home gardening and ideas. So today's video, as I said earlier, it's going to be a beautiful colorful foliage plants which you can keep indoors and outdoors. This is devil's backbone which you can keep indoors and outdoors very easily, and this plant is very easy to grow, low maintenance and permanent too, and it's a beautiful foliage plant. If you are looking for beautiful foliage plants, don't forget to add some beautiful colorful this foliage, this full green and white spider plants. Their foliage is amazing, and this wonderful plant is very easy to grow. There are many videos which I have uploaded already into my channel about how to grow them and how to care for them. You can watch them with your time. This is a beautiful decorative plant because their foliage is beautiful. Adding one or two aglaonema plants varieties also very useful because they are also very colorful and decorative. This is snow white plant, and it is also one of the plants which you can grow in outdoor garden and indoor garden both. And this is a wonderful house plant. Look at the foliage, I love it, and there are many varieties too. Umbrella plant, another variegated leafy plant, another beautiful house plant which you can grow outdoor and indoor both. This is one of the shade loving plants. You can keep it as an indoor plant as well. So this is one of the best plants because you can grow it without fertilizer as well, grow them from stems. Another beautiful house plant to grow with or without fertilizer, and also indoor and outdoor both. This is another variegated leafy plant, so beautiful and attractive umbrella plant. Dust plant, another plant for your house plants collection, either indoor or outdoor. You can grow this plant in the semi shade. Partial to medium sunlight will be okay for this plant, and this is also another low maintenance and permanent plant for your garden, and one of the best house plants because you can grow them indoors and outdoors both. This is one of the beautiful variegated leafy plant too. We have this Dracaena variety lucky bamboo which you can grow from stems, and this is another house plant. You can grow them in water as well, propagate them easily in water, and indoor and outdoor both you can grow. One of the best and also lovely looking plant, isn't it? Their variegation also very beautiful and attractive. Talking about variegated leafy plant, pandanus plant also another decorative beautiful looking plant. You can grow them in the semi shade or in the partial medium bright sunlight even, but it should be indirect. And this is another wonderful plant which is low maintenance and permanent, and also very colorful and variegated. Plants are also among the variegated leafy plants, and they are also low maintenance and permanent. You can grow them indoors and outdoors both. Propagate them in water, put some pebbles, and so many decorative things you can do with this. And also you can make yari very easily with the money plant. So money plants are also very low maintenance, either with fertilizer or without fertilizer you can grow them. Only thing is, do not expose them to bright sunlight. So this is wonderful indoor plant too. Varieties of Aralia are also beautiful and attractive. They also love the semi shade, and this is another variety of Aralia plant. And also I have this variety, and along with that I have the other round leaf one. So also very attractive, very easy to grow too. Do not put them in the bright sunlight. I keep them in the semi shade, partial to medium sunlight area. Syngonium plants, there are many varieties, and this is evergreen looking syngonium, very easy to grow, low maintenance and permanent. This is ideal for parapet walls too. If you keep them closer to a parapet wall, they will hang to that and they will spread like weeds. So this is another low maintenance plant. And also prayer plant, also another beautiful leafy plant. You can see how attractive they are, nature colorings, and they are also beautify our gardens either indoors or outdoors. Chinese evergreen plants, Either you keep them indoors as an indoor plant or outdoor plant. They grow really very beautifully in the semi-shade, partial to medium sunlight, and also well draining soil. Better keep it indoors as an indoor plant because they are air purifier plants too, and beautiful looking plants, and their leaves are also very beautiful. Expose them to medium to partial sunlight. And talking about variegated leafy plants, look at these croton plants. They are also amazing and wonderful looking. You can have couple of varieties as well. So this is another beautiful plant for your garden. Either indoors or outdoors, expose them to some sunlight because these are variegated leafy plants. They should be exposed to some certain amount of sunlight. Varieties of pothos plants, marble queen pothos and enjoy pothos. They also love the shade. Philodendron varieties, and this is the golden philodendron. You can grow them very easily. You need no fertilizer at all to grow them. If you keep them near a parapet wall, they will get attached to that.